So what's up, guys? Welcome back. I know I haven't posted nothing in a minute, but that's been because I've been busy. I've been working too much. I haven't had a good time to be working in my truck and recording. I've been working on it, but I haven't recorded nothing I did to my truck. I was able to do some changes, like I said in the other video. I dropped my truck a little bit more from the front. I changed my rotors, and now I got a double din. Also, I got rid of my jump seat, the center seat in the middle. And me and my friend, we decided to build a center console to, make it more nice. I wrapped it up and then I put some cup holders and everything. A lot of people have been asking me how much I charge for them, but I'm not sure yet. I don't really have time to make them, so I'm not sure if I should start doing them. I mean, they came out pretty nice. I like it. It looks pretty good. I will post videos so I can check out the before and then the process, how we did it, little by little, and then so I could get a kind of an idea what it looks like. Right now I'm gonna be walking to my truck, shoot a little video, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And here I got my truck, guys. Now I got a 5-inch drop at the front. I don't really have a gap. My fender was messed up. I'm gonna replace this, so it should be good. Now I also got a new rotors, like I had said. Let me pull out my phone so I can put a placement. You can see them now. New rotors in the front and the back. I also threw that red paint on it so it could make it look better. Plus the rims are like silver, so. That's a throwback whenever they tried to steal my truck a long time ago. But yeah, here I got my box I built, me and my friend. I got the door speakers here, the same thing on the other side. For the cups right here. And just for like the remote controls, and you can charge your phone there too. And I got my double din right here now. And I got the speaker right now. Sounds pretty nice. I mean, it looks better than that jump seat I had before. I don't think I got a picture. I'm gonna be looking for pictures to be able to post it. Got my setup over here at the back. So Hyphonics, like 1500 watts, I think. It's small. I need to upgrade to something bigger. That speaker's too big for that, so for right now I'm just have it connected, but I need to get something bigger. And then my 1/0 gauge wire right here, already set up everything. And then the other side, On the other side, I have an epicenter. If you're trying to get a good bass, I recommend getting one of this. They're like 100 and something, but it's real worth it. If you want to like make sure your bass sounds way better, I recommend getting this bad boy. Don't get the cheap brands, Hyphonics or like the Spider one. Don't get that. Get this brand. Go with Audio Control. Those are like the best ones. Might be more expensive, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it. I got my truck right there. Today I went to cement racing. I'm gonna do a little review about this double din because I bought it just from Best Buy, and it's not just like the normal ones. This one comes with the Apple CarPlay and whatever. Like you could just connect your phone. Get my phone plug in and it's gonna come out over here. My bad about that. And you got your phone calls right here. Do whatever's playing here. Your maps, your messages, Pandora, for example. I mean, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna put the link of this double din under the description. It's worth it. It's way better than Pioneer or whatever aftermarket double dins they got out there. I do recommend this one. Pretty nice. I also got me a little switch here for this lights I have around. My truck is too dark at the night, so I wanted to put some lights. I also got a switch whenever I want to turn them on, turn them off. Look, off, on, and that's my double din. It's pretty nice. My daily car over here. This one is just stock, man. Had a little sunroof, but it's stock. I haven't really done nothing Nothing much, just to put new tires on it. I don't got any upgrades for it. So today is Sunday over here, and there's like a little meet, but I mean it's kind of hood, so I don't want to pull up and get my truck hit or something. So I don't know, I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm gonna go pick up some food. So we're gonna go to a spin, but I don't know about that meet. My homeboy's been telling me today. I don't want to risk it. It's kind of like hood, you know. You go up there and people just burning out like crazy. Sometimes people hit each other. Nah, can't deal with that. I like going to truck meets and just chilling and like parking and just chilling, like having a good time. That's it. I don't like doing all that burnout shit, especially whenever you like park somewhere and somebody hits you. Nah, can't do that. But we're finna go for a spin, and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Nobody's with me, by myself. So let's see how it goes. Whenever I drive around at this time, like at every red light, I see a lot of trucks and they be trying to race me, but I mean I'm just going to my spot, you know. I don't really care about racing, especially around this time. There's a lot of people out there driving like crazies, and they just want to race. That's it. Fucking the watches. Let's see how many trucks I see right now. I'll try to record them. So what's up, guys? Yesterday there was no me, so there's a lot of cops, so I didn't pull up nowhere. I just got home from work. Got home kind of early today, so I'm out here. I got my truck right here at the back. I'm working on it. Let's see. Ready to get some belt liner in my bed. Right now I just got the primer down there, but it's pretty much the base. And then, so I could be able to put the bed liner on top of the spray. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get this shit done. Today I'm gonna go to AutoZone to go buy a brush for my wheels, because this weekend I'm gonna wash it real good. So I don't have any. I usually use my this one is kind of dirty, you see. Dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna give me a brush right now from AutoZone. But I just wanted to show a little quick video of what I've been doing in my truck right now. I got my security down here. So what's up to the camera, bro? Damn, so I already got the brush for the wheels. I got this from AutoZone for like $5-6. It says wheels, so let's try it out. I mean, it's kind of soft. I got my soap here, my water, and the wheel. I'm gonna give it a try to see if it actually works. I already put some water in there. It's kind of soft. It's not bad. I think it is worth it. I mean, it's pretty good. I guess it is worth the $5 I just spent. Look at this one. It was almost similar to the other one. It was kind of, they're kind of dirty. Yeah, they're dirty. So I'm done washing all the wheels, and it came out pretty good. So I guess it's not bad, man. Go to AutoZone and get you a brush like that, and so you could be able to brush your wheels pretty good. It's not bad. It's so cold out here, man. Texas is crazy ass weather, but I think that's gonna be it for this video. There's a truck meet I'm going this Sunday. I still don't know if I'm gonna record. There's a lot of chance of rain, so hopefully it doesn't rain so I could record. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like my videos and comment whatever. I'm gonna be trying to post more. Hopefully I stop working a lot, or let's see how it goes. But I'll see you guys next video.